Actually, my old welding cart is getting retired today with my new one. How cool is this? Found this one on Amazon. I'm going to show you how easy it was to assemble, and this is high quality. I could ride it with 2 welders on it. So here it is. It looks really nice. It came in the box as usual because you get it in the box. Disassembled, not a problem. A lot of bolts, but I got them all in the right place. But it was pretty easy to assemble. It has everything, including the part that you hook up the oxygen tank. This is amazing. It's gonna sit in the garage next to the wall, so it's gonna be very, very nice and compact. You have this things on the side to hang out your wires. So that's my brand new welder, and I said it deserves a brand new cart. Here it is. Wheels in the front, so these are very, very easy to move around. Rubber wheels, very directional, very strong wheels in the back. And if you have a couple of dollars to spare, this is gonna be absolutely amazing for you to get. Very nice machining everywhere around, so there's gonna be no problems as far as like getting yourself cut. There is no sharp edges, which I love. But yeah, the fact that you could put both of my welders here, because the old one is at the bottom and this new one is at the top, that makes it really, really good. Also, you could have your mask over here. Here it is, so the mask can go in there, and then you can keep everything all nice and organized. As far as the assembly process was really, really easy. As you can see in this video, it was just a bunch of parts in the little box. The bag of bolts and everything you need was there. You put the wheels first, then you assemble it on steps. You work on the table so your back doesn't hurt, but you assemble it in steps. The manual is very, very explicit. You have everything that you want in the manual. And once it's assembled, which took me only about 15 minutes, maybe tops. If you don't know what you're doing, maybe 30. Having an impact drill definitely helped. And then you have a very, very cool cart. And paired with a long extension cord, which is hanging from the ceiling, then you could start welding everywhere around the house, well, in 60-foot range. But this is my favorite cart so far. I can't wait for something to need to be fixed, because this definitely will help out. And it won't be long. Just watch. Something is gonna break at one point, because in this garage where there's everything everywhere, something always breaks. There's a tendency for the wheels to run over your wires. So keep the wires hang, and then when you get to a project, just take them off. That way, if you have to move it around, it won't create any issues as far as that goes. But I made it all the way over here around my bicycles, around everything in the garage, and now I'm gonna fix something that was supposed to fix under my car a long time ago. And when I'm done with it, I just, slide it right here on the side of the wall. Perfect and ready to go for next time I need it. If you don't have one, get one. The wood one was staying there before, and the wood one was not good. This is much better. Well worth the money. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.